So these are the patellar mobilizations. You're going to do 10 to 20 times each way. First, you're going to push outwards, hold a few seconds, and then relax. Again, and then you'll do downwards, hold and relax, hold, relax. And you can do inwards, pushing in and relax, in, relax, and then pushing upward, relax, up, relax. 10 to 20 times, 2 sets a day. To do your prone press-ups. Come on your stomach, and then gently press up. Leave the hips on the ground to get a nice abdomen and hip flexor stretch. Hold for 5 seconds, and then relax. Again, push up, and relax. You'll do this 10 times, 2 to 3 sets a day. This will be your hamstring and calf stretch. So you can grab a long towel, a dog leash, a belt. You can do this on your bed, on the floor. You put the towel around your foot and then gently pull your foot back and then lean forward till you feel a nice stretch through here. Like you might feel it more here in the hamstring. And then if you want more calf, just sit up tall and pull on the foot more. The more you bend forward, the more that's going to pull into the hamstring. So you'll hold 5 to 10 seconds and then relax. Pull 5 to 10 seconds, relax. We'll do that 10 times, and I'd like you to do both legs. This will be for your knee flexion extension. So you put your feet on preferably a hardwood surface and your feet on a towel. And then you're just going to use both your legs and bend your knee as far as you can. You can come right now we're on the 90-degree protocol. So you come to 90 degrees and then extend back out. 90 degrees, extend back out. So we'll do a set of 10, hold for 2 to 3 seconds at the end, and then relax. 2 sets of 10. After you're done with those, then you're going to do your seated heel and toe raises. We'll do 20 of those each, so 40 total, 2 sets a day. Now we're moving on to the strengthening stuff. So first, I want to just iterate that these are to be performed 3 times a week, and you can group them, okay? But there's not too many, so you could probably do them all 3 sets a week, 3 times a week. So the first one, you're going to have your brace on, locked in extension. Make sure that's done. Then you're going to perform a quad set. Squeeze your leg, lift the leg straight up, hold a few seconds, and then slowly let it down. Okay, you're going to do 10 of these, 3 sets. Then grab a pillow. We're going to put it between your knees. Okay, you're going to tighten your stomach and make sure your feet are close together, and then squeeze the knees, hold 5 seconds, and relax. Squeeze the knees, relax. 10 times. From there, squeeze the pillow, stomach tight after you've done 10 of those. Then you're going to reach up like this. Okay, you're going to do 20 of those. Okay, then you're going to take the pillow out. Knees straight, arms overhead, stomach tight. You're going to come up and twist to one side. Relax, come up, twist to the other side. 20 total, so 10 on each side. Okay. Then we're going to take our pillow again, put it between your knees. You're going to lay only on the left side and do this. So I'll show you here. You're going to lay on your left side, pillow between the knees, stomach tight, don't let the hip roll back. Head is supported by your hand. Open the knee and relax. Open, relax. These are clams. You're going to do 10 to 15 and 2 sets of them. Okay, then from there, I'll show you from this direction. Keep the pillow between your knees. You're only doing this on the left side. Stomach tight, don't be saggy like this. So nice and straight. And then we're going to come up and forward and down. Up and forward. So we're getting a nice side plank to get your abdominals and obliques strong. Okay, you're gonna do 2 sets of 10 of those. All right, then we're going to come into prone. I'll show you from this direction. So you lay on your stomach. You don't absolutely need the brace on for this. Squeeze the quad and the glute. Lift your legs straight up and down. Up and down. Okay? You could do 10 of those, 2 sets of 10. From there then, you're going to do knee curls. Okay? 10 times, 2 sets of 10. And then after those, we'll do what's called prone swimmers. So you're on your stomach and you're doing exactly what it sounds like. It's like you're swimming. So right leg and right arm and left leg, and then left arm, right leg. So you're doing, aim for 30 seconds of those. Okay, so this is a standing one. Make sure your brace is on and locked in extension. Remember, the protocol says make sure it's locked in extension whenever you're weight bearing. So the brace is nice and straight. You're gonna hold onto a chair with the right leg only. You're just gonna swing it back, contract your glutes, and then forward. Back and forward, okay? 20 times each, so 40 total. Then we're gonna do sideways, so out and in, 20 times.